What is good, YouTube, and to my sneaker world family? It is your guy again, JUDale12, aka Bubba, back with another quick review. And guys, I will be giving you guys a quick look at the Gatorade Green Sixes. And guys, like always, do not forget to hit that thumbs up button for your boy. And also smash that notification bell for upcoming vids. And also subscribe to the channel. Guys, I appreciate all the love and support of the channel and the people that are subscribing, and to my new subscribers. And to the new subscribers that's out there, man, I promise you guys, just go through, check out the channel. I have more coming, guys. Just stay tuned. This is just the beginning. So I appreciate all the love and support. And let's continue to get to the goal of 50 subscribers. And from there, we're going to get to this 1,000 subscribers. So let go. Now, as always, guys, I'm pulling these back out. I just felt like I thought I need to do another review of these. And my first review on the lighting wasn't too well, so I just felt like I just need to do that one over. So this is what I'm doing for you guys. We have the Gatorade Green Sixes. These released December 30th of 2017. Guys, these also they were a retail price of $2.25. Everyone knows about the Gatorade Green Sixes, man. To me, these are instant grail. These are mad stupid. And when they released, they were pretty limited. It wasn't like a large GR, probably like a limited GR release, but for the most part, they were pretty limited. And just giving you guys, let's look at the 360 of this sucker. I've worn these maybe probably 3 times. And every time I pull these out, man, people like, they just go nuts over these. Like, I don't know if a lot of people they didn't get them, which I don't know if they did or not, but I know a lot of people out there, they just love these shoes, man. So, I just love to pull these out the blue and break these out for everybody. But you have your 6 silhouette here. You got your green suede throughout the shoe. Orange right there. Your spoiler back here. You have your orange strip. On this shoe, you have the stitching on the inside, if I can be. Here's your insole there. You have your Gatorade lightning bolt. Gatorade right there on your lace lock right there. That tape that you see on that Gatorade bolt, I put that in there just to kind of keep and preserve that in there for when I wear these. So for my insoles, I keep that on there on deck. There's your other shoe, if I could be. Same thing on there. Size 10, of course. Alright, let's get the front of these. There you go, right there. You got your Air Jordan right there on your tongue. Got your Jumpman symbol there. And there's your outsole here. As I stated before, we wear our shoes. Everyone wear your sneakers, please. But these have been worn a few times. There's your Nike receipt, of course. Gatorade towel, some of the accessories here. Got those right there. Here's your box. Everyone, if you just feel, it has like this kind of sandpaperish feel to it. I don't know what that is, but very dope. Be like Mike in the inside. Have your sweat drips or water drips here on your paper. It comes with extra set of white laces. And there's your hang tag right there. So, very dope release. Shout out to Jordan Brand Nike for the release, guys. Very, very dope shoe. It will be in the grail status. It's definitely in my grail status. These are insane. So, just want to do another video on these. Guys, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. This has been JUDale12, aka Bubba. This is the Bubba Files. Lego.